Okay, now listen to me and listen good. President Donald Trump was indicted. And for me to tell you what is wrong with the case, you know it. You've heard it. Everybody, every legal commentator, every former prosecutor, even people who detest Donald Trump, even though they detest him, they loathe, they despise him. Even they said this case is crap. Because aside from what you think, the very first witness must be Michael Cohen. Michael Cohen is the person who is responsible for getting this going theoretically. He pays $130,000 to Dusty Saddles or whatever the hell her name is, the chanteuse, pays her supposedly for Trump, and it's hush money. And there's nothing wrong with hush money. That's not the issue. It's okay to give hush money. It's called an NDA. It's done all the time. It makes Hollywood what Hollywood is. But here's the story. Follow this. He supposedly gave her $130,000, and then Trump maybe reimbursed her. And then through this Rube Goldberg kind of weird labyrinthine connection, they took this misdemeanor where the statute of limitations already lapsed for falsifying business records, and they stretched it. Maybe they would have to, if this is what it is, because we're not really sure exactly what the felony is, but they stretched it to say that he was trying to cover up or hide a crime. And what that crime is, maybe is some kind of weird state campaign law, which is really federal. But anyway, doesn't matter. Here's the thing to note. Number one, you've got a former lawyer, and this is amazing. A former lawyer of Cohen who says he's a liar. That's great. He's been on every show. He's a liar. This is his lawyer, his ex-lawyer. And then you have another document, which is the most interesting, that was sent purportedly, provided it can be authenticated, provided it's legit, but basically sent to federal election officials that say that this payment or this transaction was all done on the part of Michael Cohen. That President Trump had nothing to do with it. Now, you can bring this lawyer in. He'll have to testify, yes, I know this. So, make a long story short, the main witness, the person who was responsible for this, the foundation of the entire case, is basically a liar. So, if you're going to say, I don't care what documents say, you've got two people who say that he's lying. So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, do you have a reasonable doubt as to President Donald Trump's guilt? Yes. For you to find him guilty, you've got to say, I have no doubt that I can attach a reason to, no doubt whatsoever, into the veracity of the witnesses, the authenticity of the documents, nothing. I have no doubt. I have no doubt. I don't believe these people who say that Michael Cohen's lying. I don't believe Michael Cohen's own words who say, no, I paid for it. There's no way he can get convicted in the real world. But this isn't the real world. This is New York that voted against him 80%. This is La La Land. So we'll see. Follow me on lionelmedia.com if you want to hear more.